So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the 24th of May 2026. Keep in mind these are general. This might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it don't worry about it. Just let it be. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Mm-hmm. I'm sorry. Let's see the overall energy for Pisces people for this week. We have the Seven of Raphael, time to make a decision, be clear on what you want, and take action, a need for detoxification. You guys have to make some kind of choice or decision here. If you guys are going to procrastinate or delay it further, it's going to be a shit show. That's what's the first message. Be clear on what you want. You have to have a crystal clear clarity and understanding of what you want and why you want it so that you can understand why you want it. Okay. And then take action accordingly. It's like similar to manifestation. A need for detoxification, whether it's digital, emotional, mental, or physical, you guys know better than me, but this week requires you to detoxify your energies. For today, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive, being resistant to change. Okay, so if you are in a miserable position where you are not ready to share anything with anybody, we are not talking about money or anything like that. It's about just cordial energies and loving energies and kindness. Then you are going to also feel like you are not getting anything good in return in your life, right? So when you give with a grateful heart, with a heart full of gratitude and love, you also receive similar in the same way. It's like energy exchange between you and the universe. Being resistant to change is not going to give you anything good in return, Pisces. You guys have to keep on reminding yourself again and again and again that change is the only constant, change is the only constant, and that's how we all grow. Extremes in how you save or spend money. You have to look out for the extremes in either saving too much or spending too much. Finding a middle ground is very important. Then for 19th, we have the Queen of Ariel, nurture yourself and those you love. First of all, start with yourself. Nurture yourself, take care of yourself. Self love, self care, self healing is very important. And then create a very beautiful and positive kind of energy for others also. Then look for others. The ability to make anything more beautiful. Now you have the ability and the power and the capacity to make everything really beautiful in your life because your heart chakra, your energies are going to open up. Practical and wise advice. Somebody might end up giving you a very practical and wise advice. Even if you're not going to take it as like right now, you're not going to use that advice, keep it in the back of your mind or write it somewhere else, especially if it is coming out of somebody who's an expert, who is knowledgeable, who is a very good person. Listen to that advice. If not immediately, eventually you guys will be able to understand why they said what they said and how it can help you in the long term. 20th, we have the justice, fight for justice and equality. So if you think you have done nothing wrong in a particular situation, and if you're going through some kind of drama, maybe courtroom drama or legal things, stand up for yourself and do not give up. The rulings are going to be made in your favor sooner or later, Pisces. Do not give up, especially if you have done nothing wrong. And if you have done something wrong, I do see the rulings are going to be made in your favor, which means you are going to get the results as per your karma. Simple as that. But you have done nothing wrong. If you have done nothing wrong, then just take a stand for yourself, fight for justice and equality. Sooner or later, you are going to get the results in your favor, honey. Okay, do not give up. 21st, we have the Five of Ariel. You need not go through your current challenges alone. You don't have to go through something shady, something shitty, something painful alone here, Pisces. You guys can take help from people around you. There is help nearby only. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. Might be, you guys your mind is continuously telling you stories and scenarios that are not at all true, but you're so much ingrained it's so much ingrained in your energies that negative thoughts that this is the only reality, this is the truth of my life. It's not. Okay. 22nd, we have the King of Michael. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. You guys have to use your wisdom, your knowledge, your experience in something, and see the situation from an objective point of view, right? and stay in your integrity. Even if nobody is watching you, even if you are not answerable to anyone, stay in your integrity. Just choose to do the right thing. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Okay, something is some kind of open and honest communication is required in a particular situation, so that things are going to be sorted and things are going to be much more better and beautiful and positive for you guys. Okay, so I have 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, honey, we have the four of profile. Seek out other possibilities. You should look for other possibilities in a situation. Maybe in a particular area of your life, you guys are stuck on something or someone. This is the only possibility. This is the only thing. Don't do that. Keep your mind and keep your energies open and flexible to other possibilities also. Look for magic in life. Instead of focusing on the negative, start focusing on the small, small miracles, small, small positive energies in your life, and you will be able to attract more and more positivity and magical energies around you, right? Be aware of your own emotions. Don't make any kind of life changing decisions or choices when you are overly emotional or overly practical. You guys have to figure out a balanced kind of approach where your emotions and your mental energies are balanced and sorted. Okay, so we have 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. 24th, we have the five of Raphael. Everything happens for a reason, Pisces. Even if we don't know the reason, even if we don't get to understand the reason immediately, everything happens for a reason in our lives. Keep that in mind. Release regret and embrace the opportunities of happiness. If you're still living in some kind of regret and or guilt or in some kind of negativity that why whatever happened, the way it happened, why I was not able to do something in that way or this way, you can't change the past. The past is gone, honey. You can't do anything about it. So instead of living in some kind of regret and or guilt, try to embrace the opportunities for happiness that's coming your way. You don't have to feel guilty about feeling happy, right? That's your right. That's your uh, what should I say, birthright. Every one of us search for the silver lining. Instead of focusing on the negatives, again focus on the positives of life. Look for the magical and miracles in life instead of continuously living in the negative state of mind. Okay, let me see the final guidance for you guys for this week. I have the eight of Michael. You can be free. See, you can be free from something or someone only if you are going to make a courageous or bold choice to change your situation. You guys have to change your situation. It's in your own hands, right? No matter how trapped or stuck or something you're feeling, you are one courageous decision or choice away from making your life more beautiful, more peaceful. Maybe it is going to, like, the choice or decision that you have to make, it's going to make you feel uncomfortable for some time, but eventually it's going to be much more happier and beautiful and positive only if you have the courage to make the right choice and the right decision here. Not seeing things clearly right now, you might not be able to see anything clearly because of your thoughts, because of your mind telling you stories and scenarios that are not actually true, and maybe they're never going to be true. But try to see things clearly, try to be logical and practical here, and then add your emotional side to figure out a balance between these two, and have the courage and the strength to do the right thing, to make the right choice and right decision here, Pisces. That's very important. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.